Let's look at this equation here. We see that we're starting off with 4 different denominators. Now, I picked one way to go about creating a common denominator, but there's a different way. I wrote out every single step here for you because I wanted you to see what each step would look like. So, beginning with creating a common denominator, I selected 24 as my goal. 24 would be the least common denominator that 6, 12, 8, and 4, or least common multiple, would all multiply up to. It's the lowest number that 6, 12, 8, and 4 will all be factors of. So I have to figure out, how do I get 6 to be 24? How do I get 12 to be 24? How do I get 8 to be 24? How do I get 4 to be 24? I have to multiply them. So this second line right here, I am multiplying by 4 over 4, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, and 6 over 6. Mathematically, I'm allowed to do that because I'm really just multiplying by 1. Anything divided by itself is 1, and if you multiply by 1, it doesn't actually change anything significant, just the appearance. And that's what we wanted. We wanted to change the appearance. So they all have the same denominator now in the third line of 24. Next, I want to get rid of it. All right, I want to get rid of my denominator because it's in the way of me solving for r. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 24 to both sides. When I multiply 24 to both sides, it removes that denominator and leaves me with just the new numerators. So 4r plus 10 equals 3r minus 18. From here, I wrote out each step. So this, between these two lines, the step is to subtract 3r. So that's what I did. Minus 3r gets me r plus 10 equals negative 18. And then the second to last step is to subtract 10. Minus 10 minus 10. And that leaves me with my final answer of r equals negative 28. So when you're solving these equations, if you see fractions, find a way to get rid of that denominator in order to simplify your equation. Hope this helps.